Our industry right now is kind of in a state of flux just because 20 years ago, this was an additive for automotive fuel. Carbon sequestration is really going to give ethanol a rebirth per se, because now you have a renewable molecule, the ethanol, which now has a lower carbon footprint. To us, that's really what we're looking at, not where we've been, but where we're going on this thing and the impact that sequestration is going to have on the value of that ethanol molecule and what else it's going to be able to be used for. When you're looking at West Coast, when you're looking at California, Oregon, Washington, if the day ever comes where there's a Midwest low carbon fuel standard, they're going to be looking for the lowest carbon intensity ethanol that's out there. And if you're a producer of that, you're going to be in the game. If you are not a producer of low carbon intensity ethanol, you're going to be in trouble. Well, that's why our focus has been on implementing technology and partnering with people like Summit to get that carbon so we can sell our product wherever we need to sell it. We're a market provider. And so even if you're not a member here, you can bring corn to Siouxland Energy. If we can get our carbon intensity score lower so that our ethanol is worth more, that changes our cash dynamic. You're going to reap the benefits of Siouxland putting sequestration in, and those dollars turn in the community. You know, people buy vehicles, they build houses, or whatever it may be. I'm actually a farmer as well, and the pipeline runs through 2 of my pieces of land. Initially, the thought is, okay, I don't want a pipeline. I don't want a utility, but I've got ground that has natural gas pipelines and it has high voltage power lines. But when you listen to the facts, they intend to chain trench the pipeline in, which is much less invasive. Move the topsoil away, trench a 24-inch trench, put the pipe in it, come back with the fill, and then come back with the black dirt on top of it. It's virtually the same as putting drainage tile in, and we put drainage tile in all of the time around this area. Once we get the pipeline in and we get those dollars back, I mean, that will show us that, yeah, this is real. A low CI ethanol is in demand, it's sought after, it's monetized, and that's something that we can bring back not only to Siouxland, but to our members and back to the community.